Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chelsea. If this is your first time here, well, welcome. My name is Chelsea. Thanks for stumbling upon my channel. I like nerdy things like my Star Labs t-shirt. Oh, I love this shirt. Anyway, if this isn't your first time here, well, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. So I'm really excited for this video today. I was asked to do this video a while ago by a friend of mine who, as I'm filming this video, is at the hospital getting ready to welcome into the world her first child, her baby boy, Simon. So congratulations, because by the time this video goes up, she'll probably already have had the baby. Congratulations to Allie and Ed. Oh, I'm so excited for you guys. So Allie had asked me to do a video for pregnant women, new moms, moms in general, or really anybody else that has to get somewhere and doesn't have the time to put in to do a full face of makeup, 5 minutes, 5 products, out the door like that. So if you want to see how you can do your makeup in 5 minutes with 5 products, we'll keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell. Comment something cool down below, like this video, and let's get rolling. I have my 5 products I picked out before, and I went through some debate on which products I wanted to use. I also use only drugstore products because I thought that was important, especially if this is geared towards moms. You have a new baby, children are expensive. I get it. So I figured drugstore products were the way to go. But of course, you could just supplement any of the products that you see in this video by products you already have, whether it is drugstore or high-end. You could just switch them out to whatever your go-to are. These are just the ones that I'm choosing to use. The first product I'm going to be using is this BB cream by Maybelline. This is the BB Fresh in shade 110 light medium. I also have this eyebrow gel, which clearly the pencil has seen better days. This is the Revlon Brow Fantasy by Colorstate. I actually don't know if this is on the market anymore, but it's just a drugstore brow gel. Any brow gel will do. Oh, I almost forgot to have it opened. Well, at least unscrewed so I can just pop it open when I get ready to do it. Next, I have this highlight stick from Wet n Wild. This is their Mega Glow highlight. I chose a highlighter over a lipstick because I figured with a highlighter, you could put it on the inner corners, and especially for moms, you might want to look a bit more awake if your kid just kept you up all night. This will help you, if you brighten in the corners, will help you stay awake. I'm also talking a bit before I do the video because before I do the makeup, because I figured 5 minutes, I'm going to have to be doing it really fast and not going to have time to really sit and explain why I chose the products, the ones I chose for that reason. It is a cream highlight. Again, any highlighter will do, but it just blends out really easy, and it also requires less tools because it's a cream. You can either do it with your fingers or the blender that I'm going to be using. I didn't count tools as products in this. The mascara I chose because I figured, for me, I know even if I don't have any face makeup on, mascara at least makes me feel like I have something on. It makes me look a little bit more awake. My eyelashes just look a little bit, makes me look, I guess, a little bit more polished, a little bit more awake. I chose the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. It's honestly my go-to drugstore mascara. So that's one we're going to be using today. And last but not least, I have this contour palette from e.l.f. This is the Cool Tone Contour Palette. It has, 4 different shades in here. I'm probably going to really go into this one. And I don't think I'll use the the white shade at all. Unless we have time, we might dip into this one, but pretty much I'm just going to go in with this one. And this is going to be not only to contour our face and to add some color to our face, I'm also going to put it into the crease. I just always figured when I do that, at least it gives me something on my eyes. Not, a full face of eye or a full eye, but at least it's something to make your eye look a little bit more defined. So those are the 5 products that we're going to be using today. They're all drugstore. I think they're honestly all under $10 drugstore products, which is even better. And get my timer out, stretch it out, maybe drink some water. Oh, there we go. Loosey-goosey, make sure I have a mirror, and I'm going to do this in 5 minutes, hopefully. So I set up a mirror right here, so I'm going to be looking this way, because I realized if I'm trying to hold a mirror and do it at the same time, I'm going to fail. I'm not going to be able to do it in 5 minutes. So here we go. I have it ready to go. 5 minutes. I'm just going to press and drop and then go to town on the BB cream in 3, 2, 1. I'm just going to squeeze it out on my hand. That's probably a lot. blending that into my face. I'm gonna bring my mirror a little bit closer. I am using a beauty blender. It's a little bit dark. It's fine. Blend it down my neck. Oh, hopefully that dries down. Go right over my eyes and under my eyes as well. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with the brow gel. Done. The highlight stick. Just gonna and blend it. We're gonna look very dewy. That's fine. Contour. Really hard to blend without a powder, but it'll be fine. Blending it out. I have about 2.5 minutes left. I'm also going to take a roller brush and put some here. Go on my fingers because it's a little wet. Taking the highlight shade on my finger. Ooh. Popping that in the inner corner and finishing off with mascara. Technically I'm done. How much time do I have left? 1.5 minutes. Oh, beautiful. So since I have extra time, I'm actually going to take no, some of that white shade. I don't have another brush. We're going to go in with this and set the under eye a bit. We're going to take that shade because it's pretty much a translucent powder. Just all over real quick. Oh, no. That was a mistake. Oh, no. And I still have time left. I don't even know what to do. I have 41 seconds left. Let me just touch it up. Wow. Kind of fix up in places. Wow. Alright, so maybe I can do my makeup in 5 minutes. Oh no, I have a little bit of a... I don't know where my blender went. Oh, there it went. Got some mascara up in there. And we're done. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I did that in 5 minutes. Let's see how it actually looks. I'm like really looking at it. You were very dewy, so this is definitely not an oily skin look, but look at that highlight, looks really good though. Pull the hair down. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. I don't know why I felt like doing that. I just felt like it'd be like sexy and it probably just looked awkward. And my hair probably looks, all right, not bad. All right. It's not, I thought it was gonna be floofier, if that is a word. But 5 minutes, 5 products, and you are in and out, well, out the door so fast. And because I did have more time, I could have added a second coat of mascara. You can also go in with, if you do have a contour palette like this, it has that lighter shade for, you know, highlighting, to put that underneath your eyes a little bit more. It also helps set the makeup a little bit, but hey, not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below, something, I don't know, something cool. What are you doing with your day today? How's your day going? Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and well, that's about it. I will see you next time. I think the girl I was talking about before, Allie, is going to be putting this into her blog that she does, so I will link that down below once she has that up, so you can check out her blog as well. Again, congratulations to Allie and Ed, because this video will probably be going up after Simon is born. I'm so excited for you guys. Congratulations again. And for the rest of you, I'll see you back here next time. Bye.